way to Texas and back, but my daughter can't. She never could.
It really helped a lot coming to this class without any experience before, with a group of people who have the same level of experience, which is none. So this really helped to create a safe space and environment for us to try together and to experience together, and the confidence grew throughout the 8 weeks with everyone. It was very helpful giving the feedback and asking us to try things differently and giving us different perspective on how we can do things in a different way, and giving the feedback on our performances, what can be done better. So it definitely helped a lot. I would definitely encourage people to try this out, especially if they've never had any acting experience before. This is a place where mostly nobody has experience in acting, so they don't have to worry about their level of experience, and they can really learn from scratch. It was very laid back. It was a very safe environment for us to try things out, to make mistakes, no judgment. So I really appreciate that environment that was created by the instructor.